Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got Rara in the studio for a shoot, and some of the lighting that Peter has ideas for, he can't really get that look with a softbox. He can't get the separation that he's after, so he tends to prefer shooting with V-flats. So he's just going to build his lighting using V-flats, and we'll take it from there.
So today I'm just going to do some lighting with some V-flats, and the reason I'm using V-flats and not softboxes, as much as I love softboxes. So the problem with softboxes, they light 180 degrees. So basically this box on this angle here would actually be lighting Rara right down the other end if I turn the power up enough. And that's one of the downsides. Now you can get grids for softboxes, but for a grid for this softbox is over $1,000. But it's not just that, it's still controlling the light to a fixed angle. I want to have more flexibility. So that's why I tend to love using things like V-flats with white foam on the inside. So what I want to do with these is set up a light, number one, to light Rara full length, even though I'm not going to shoot her full length. That's the first thing. I want to get two really aggressive catch lights. So I want to have like these two white stripes into her eyes. Then I want to have the background go dark, light, dark. And hopefully just with some V-flats, I can then vary everything to get the look I want. Everything's flat at the moment. I've got a 100mm lens on, f8 at 160th, 100 ISO. All I'm going to do at the moment is get the power of my light right based on my overexposure warning. I think I'm not that far off. I'm just looking at the light, the shadows. The catch light, I'm certain will be hitting there. Yeah, I've got those dots in the eyes, which is very fashionable. It's got a bit of edge to it. Do you want to come forward a tiny bit? The reason I got Rara to come forward, just to see if I like the light better or worse, and I like the light definitely better. It's turned it up a little bit in power, but it's more, I'm getting a better wrap around her, which I like. I just want to try and get a little bit more light up into here. So, well, that's what, just let's see. I'm standing behind Rara just to freak her out. I'm just looking at where my lights are pointed to make sure that they're fairly much the same. They're not. I need to open this one out a bit. I'm just fine tuning this.
You want me to move?
No, you're fine. If I just stand behind you, I can see where the light, that one is to point into that softbox a little bit. Right, so let's just do that. I'll take one shot. Cool. I don't think I'm going to see much. Oh, it's a little bit of difference. Yeah, just opening it up, just open up that cheek a bit more. I'm still finding it's not exactly how I want it to look. At the moment, we've got the light coming into her from that whole V-flat. But what I want to do is grab some of that light, because it's just a bare bulb. I want to grab some of it and direct it downwards onto Rara. Right, I'm just going to move back a fraction, and I'm just going to drop just a little bit because of the length, height that I'm shooting at. Cool. Now instantly you'll see we're not overexposing at all, but by putting that board on top, I don't know if you can see, but on the upper part above her cheeks, it is definitely, they're quite dark, and there's this like V happening of shadow there, and then the next shot it's gone. That V is completely gone. So that board on top has definitely brought some light down and bounced it into her. I'm happy with my exposure. That's right on the edge. So I'm going to stick to that. Now I want to sort of get the background. The background, even though there's a little bit of fall off each side, it's not giving me what I want. I'm going to cheat a bit to start with. I'm just going to have them, the white on the inside. As long as they're not too far in front of Rara, I should be able to control the light that's going to hit the back wall now. I think that's about right. I'm going to try and bring them as close as I can. I just want to see if they're in my shot. That one is not. Right, so I can bring this one in a bit more. So I really want to limit the light that's getting to that back wall. Cool. Now Hasselblad's limited it too much. So I need to open this out a little bit. I'm just trying to get a little bit of light just hitting behind Rara on the wall. We're a fair way off, so it's not going to be a big... I brought up a tiny bit more light. It's still not getting me the light that I want. Because I'm going back now, I don't really need the white. Once I'm behind Rara, the white's not going to do a thing. So I'm just going to flip them back to black. Oh, I think that's getting me what I want. Yeah, you see the lights just come in there now. Cool, so I'm sitting around the 70s there. I'm sitting down the 40s on that edge. So I've created that nice vignette each side that I wanted. I've just got to pull this a bit further back out of shot. I'm liking how Rara's looking. Now that I've got it and we know Rara's spot, we will definitely know Rara's spot now. So what I want to do is just play a little bit just to see if this is the best light I've got here. So I want you to go back one big step. About there, cool. So I'm just going to guess how much power. So we're on 6 at the moment. I'm going to wind that up to say, let's come up to 6.6 on both of these. Hopefully that's enough power to make up for where Rara went, and I need to come back into proportion. Cool. So one of the reasons I've done this is by turning the power of the light up, I'm getting more light onto the background, and because of Rara stepped back, it means the amount I've had to turn up to get it to her has added a lot more light to the background. Now I can just look at the two pictures and decide. It's very hard. She's pulling a prettier face on that picture. Let's make her do a prettier face on where she is. Can you go a tiny bit back? Just a little? Yeah, maybe that. Why I've got to go back, I'm just turning the power of the light down a bit. So I can shuffle that and cool. So you see that little step back, turned that light down a touch, left the back wall the same. It's hard, I like both. So the best way to see which one I really like, let's go black and white.
That was cool.
What, how it was before?
I just saw something cool.
What, you preferred how it was?
Yeah, as I came over.
You like that?
Yeah. Oh no, I don't know.
What do you
was
mean,
the
oh
other
no?
one?
Well, I was going to start working on it from there.
Oh yeah, I actually do like, yeah, okay.
Liking that better with the glow? Mm-hmm. Like that better like that?
Yeah.
I think I like that. You happy with that?
Yep.
Sure?
Yeah.
All right, so the boss has said I've got it right. Let's just save that.
What's that one?
That was the one before I moved you.
I like that.
You like that better?
Yeah.
You would, it's the different settings. It's the other settings.
Ah.
Is it you like that better because your face looks better? Or you actually like that better?
I do like, it's like, it looks a bit creamier.
Do you like it like that though? Or do you like it like that? Or halfway between?
Yeah, I like it like that.
Just like that?
Yeah.
I hate you.
Why? Is that what you originally did?
That's my original step. So all that messing around did nothing. So can you come back to your normal spot? I'm going to turn these back to 6.
Sorry.
How to waste time. Did you ruin it? Yeah, that's normal. But at least we know that this is better. If we didn't do what we did, we would never know it was better. It's fine. Rara's all embarrassed because she thinks she's wrecked it. But what she doesn't know is I'd much rather people see I do go places and it doesn't work and I come back to where it originally was. Because sometimes I do the original idea. Cool. Let's see if this is going to work now. And see, the pressure's on me at the moment to get nice lighting for her. But once I've got the right nice lighting, I just throw it back on her then. It's sort of like I've done my job. Oh. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Guess what? You got a model now. All right, so get on your diet, and I really want you to work this look. All right. Nice, nice. So now, especially since I did a video with Rara in Amsterdam, she's actually modeling different now. I'll get behind the camera, she'll pull, then she'll reset. And it's a reset that I'm waiting for her to do is when I can click. If I was shooting her fashion, I'd be shooting straight away. But for this, I'd rather just let her reset a bit. Cool, awesome, awesome. So I'm basically letting her drift into the shot, and that way I can click when I like it. So Rara's giving this continual movement for me to watch. It's a bit cool. It's a lot cool. Yeah, I'm really liking. All right, so now we're going to try and chase the hero shot, which means I really don't, this is all about getting one killer shot. That's what most of the time we do, isn't it? Most of the time we shoot, it's each setup is to get one killer shot. And that's really cool, that's really cool. I just want Rara to keep going, but I don't want her not to listen to what I'm about to say. But if you watch really carefully, she'll pull her pose and see her drop into it really. She just carefully drops in and lets me take the picture where I like it. Just move it, yeah, cool, cool. So that way she can just keep this beautiful movement which will give her feel. Cool, that's really cool. Cool, cool, nice, 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 cool. You can do a couple with your up onto the balls of your feet, just a little bit, just get that attitude. Cool, that's nice. And chin just eye to eye, like full, and that's nice, that's really cool. Just drop it nice, beautiful, beautiful. Cool. That's really cool, that's really cool. Stunning, stunning, stunning. You liking?
Yeah.
Yeah? Mm-hmm. I do want to change something.
Yeah.
So if I was to lift it there, do you like that? Mm-hmm. All right, so what I want to do is lift the lighting up, but I can't do the lighting up with the white singlet on.
Oh, okay.
Oh. So what we might do is just quickly finish off without the singlet on and see how that looks, just to get that more punch in the face. That's really cool. That's really good. So keep it strong. Cool. So this frame is just for me to check my exposure and see how far off I am. Yeah, see, that's the difference. I want to be able to punch it to there. So that's a heap more light I can pump in on you. Cool. So what I want to do is try and push her as close as I can to overexposing, which is pretty much right on the limit now. I like that exactly how you want. No, put your foot back how you, no, tilt your toe in, there. The attitude, can you feel that attitude?
Yeah.
When you move your foot, can you feel it adds this like punkiness to you? So that's what, cool, cool. Those little things are stunning, stunning, stunning. Nice, nice. That's really cool. That's really cool. Think about what you're wearing, how you're wearing it. Cool, cool, cool. Nice, nice. I like that. It's nearly that attitude of Kate Moss on the catwalk with the Magnum ice cream. That sort of, yeah, that's better. That's much better. Cool, cool. I like that. Cool. You can even, if you want to, you can even come slightly side on or a little bit over your shoulder. You can just play. Cool, cool. That's really cool. Do you want to have a look at some of these frames?
Yeah. Yeah, these are really nice.
You like?
Yeah.
So do you reckon we've got something in there that you're happy with, or do you want to just snam a couple more and then do some over the shoulders?
Yeah, I just
no.
While we're here.
Yeah, I was more letting you see your attitude to see if you're liking
Awesome.
the shape.
Yeah,
Cool?
yeah, absolutely.
All right. Nice drifting, nice, beautiful, beautiful. Nice. Cool.
I thought I was looking for a pocket there.
There is no pocket. I cut it off. Just face the back wall for a second. That's it, just like that. Perfect, perfect. Absolutely love that. Awesome. All right, you can do whatever you like again now. Cool. That's what the back shot was for the book. It just looks so cool. The back I like that. Awesome. Awesome. Come on, girl.
So we hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did enjoy that, I will throw up some other videos around my head of some other videos with Peter using V-flats.